Bridges, 3 billion. Community roads improvement. Community roads improvement, what they call interconnectivity, 33 billion. And then Mount Elgon level-based infrastructure development, 5 billion. Minister of Gender. Minister of Gender. National Women's Council. National Women's Council was added 3 billion. Support to youth. Construction equipment for youth, 1.2. Rehabilitation of ministry institutions, child rehabilitation centers, 2 billion. At Tekere Cultural Gala, which is going to take place in Kidepo 2024 Gala, 400 million. Jama Fest 2024 in South Sudan, 400 million. Funding to support Grow project, 500 million. Withdraw, rehabilitate, and settle street children was added 500 million. Special enterprise grant for older persons, 2 billion. Juakali Enterprises, 5 billion. Kireka Rehabilitation Center, the refurbishment, 460 million. Yeah. Minister of Water and Environment. The support to rural water project source per village. Source per village was added 14.5 billion. Strategic towns water supply and sanitation, 3 billion. Investing in forest and protected areas for climate smart development project 1613, additional 2 billion. Service coverage, accelerated project, SCAP umbrella project, 15 billion. Project 1524, Water and Sanitation Development Facility East, 6 billion. Subversion to National Water and Sewerage Corporation, 1 billion. Minister of Tourism. Minister of Tourism, subvention to Wildlife Authority, 900 million. To construct 15 kilometers electric fence. Subvention Uganda Wildlife Authority, 90 billion for compensation for damages due to human-wildlife conflicts and park accidents. Subvention to Uganda Wildlife Research Training Institute to construct a girls' hostel, 4 billion. IGG was added 6.6. $1.7 digitalization, 4.8 for recruitment of staff, and 1 billion for staff training. Parliamentary Commission, the 8.9 are reallocated from capital to recurrent to cater for medical insurance for MPs, 8.97. Uganda National Roads Authority, UNRA, feasibility studies for Chabakuza, 1 billion. Feasibility study Singiro, Ekitia, 1 billion. Kampala City Authority, 10 billion for mechanized drainage and distilling of channels. Ministry of Kampala City Council, City Authority, beg your pardon, and Metropolitan Affairs, 5 billion as counter funding for restoration affected properties. Equal Opportunities Commission, 1 billion. National Information Technology Authority, 20 billion to offset domestic areas owed to Solito del Marca for management and commercialization of NBI. Uganda National Examinations Board, 6.5 for assessing the new lower secondary school curriculum and the continuous assessment. You are aware that the curriculum was changed, but no additional funding for them to UNEB for conducting transitional examinations. You are aware that there are those who are going to repeat. They have to give another exam, but no funds are allocated. 6.5, securing accommodation for the markers. To conduct field activities of examinations, 8.5, and retrain examiners. Colleagues, get to know that UNEB, according to what we got from the sector, after change of the curriculum, the teachers were not retooled properly. And now UNEB had to take up that task. And they are moving around trying to train teachers so that they prepare the students, the candidates, to meet the task of a coming exam. Financial Intelligence Authority was allocated 4 billion. Office of Auditor General, to recruit staff, 3 billion. Operational fund shortfall, their money was cut by 30 billion, and that would make the work of Auditor General very difficult. And perception survey, Auditor General is supposed to perform a role of independent administrator for EITI, and to audit missions abroad, 1.7. DPP, recurrent budget to cover wage, to recruit staff, the attorneys, to support the justice system. Witness preparation and protection, 3 billion. Procurement of motor vehicles, 2 billion. Uganda Police Force, CID. You will recall, colleagues, on this floor, there was a resolution made here to support the CID. And such, there was even a resolution here, they must have their own vote. And I want to confirm to you, I visited the CID recently on witness summons. I would like to confirm, colleagues, there is some high degree of professionalism now in the CID's office. $80 billion to CID. Uganda Prison Service, 4 billion for extension of Kitwe Prison Facility in Gomba. Public Service Commission, 130 million to assist to procure some devices for PWDs. Yes, this just a device of PWDs. PPDA, 3 billion to expand scope of the procurement audits from 40% to at least 60%. As of today, the funds available, they manage to do only 40% procurement audit. So if this money is added, they can rise at least to 60%. Uganda National Bureau of Standards, field activities for certification in testing, standard development, verification of equipment, and enforcement of standards, 4 billion. Wage shortfall for Uganda Bureau of Standards, 2 billion. ISO, to facilitate internal intelligence collection, 20 billion. ESO, 7 billion. ESO again to construct ESO headquarters, because it's believed where they are located is not secure enough. So to construct 31 billion. National Council of Sports, 10 billion to support associations, and 2.5 billion to support the design and redevelopment of Uganda Golf Club at Kitante. Makerere University, Gender Equality Program Project, 1.2 billion. Uganda Tourism Board was given 1.8 billion. National Citizenship and Immigration Control, 10 billion shillings for border posts and technology and so on. National Animal Generic Resource Center, NAGRIC, additional 10 billion. This one I only want to clear, to kick-start a demonstration farm in Bukedia district. That one, yes. I come from there also. That is my district, honorable colleagues. Mbale, vote 410, Mbale Regional Referral Hospital has been struggling to construct a surgical complex for about 5 years. It's not going far. And they need 5 billion to complete it. And that was allocated. Mbale region covers a big area up to Valleys, up to Bukede, up to Uganda Business and Technical Exam, UBUTEP, 4 billion. Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority, 3 billion. Uganda Export Promotions Board, in order to participate in Expo 2025 for Osaka, 4 billion. Kisoro District. Kisoro District was allocated 2 billion for construction of Kanyamateke Bridge. 1.3 billion for Kanyamateke Bridge. And rehabilitation of Buhozi Health Center 350 million. And Nyarusizi Health Center 350 million. Entebbe Regional Referral Hospital, ever since that hospital was upgraded from a district hospital to a regional referral hospital, the budget stayed constant. So we had allocated additional 3 billion to Entebbe Regional Referral Hospital. Uganda Consulate in Kenya, Mombasa, they are supposed to hosting of Uganda-Kenya Coast Tourism Conference Center in Kampala, November 2024. We had allocated 1 billion. Mbarara City, vote 609 in Mbarara City, had been allocated for construction of Katete Bridge in Mbarara City. That is going to connect Singiro and others, 5.2 billion. St. Helena Primary School refurbishment, 100 million. Kakoba Muslim Primary School, 100 million. Kayaga Primary School, 100. Nyamitanga Secondary School, 100 million. And Nyamitiobora Health Center 2, 400 million. Shema Municipal Council. Shema Municipal Council.
Honorable Sechi.
Colleagues, I'm about to complete. 1.6 billion was added for completion of rehabilitation of Kabuohe Health Center 4. That one was 600 million. And market development infrastructure of 400 million. And SMC headquarters, 600 million. Buhweju District. Completion of St. Anthony Kakade Seed School, 500 million. Bulambuli District. Bulambuli District for construction of climbing ladders for school-going children. Colleagues, you have seen on WhatsApp, the children in Bulambuli, a place called Soti, have to access school through ladders to reach the higher level, but they have been using Kalitusi to make ladders. So we are informed if we don't reinforce and they put the proper ladders, one day children, the ladder will break and children will die. So 1.5 billion. Then to improve Buluganya Health Center for 1.5 billion. Bulago SES 300 million. St. Peter Clever Muyembe 700 million. Bushenyi District for construction of playground at Bumbaire sub-county to be utilized for various school activities, for talent identification and growth of child, 450 million. Luego this is 1.1 billion for health center 3 maternity ward completion at Busibo and Kaboyo Primary School 200 million, Katulo, Rebogo Health Center 3, Chazanga Town Council Market, Mitoma District 6.2 billion for completion of an ongoing project by UPDF at Roburunga Seed School, 600 million. The Tereko Skills Development Center, 1.6 billion. Kigende Health Center 3, 1.5 billion. The Tereko Health Center 4, 600 million. Kigende Seed School 600 million. And Rutoche Health Center 4, 1.6. Mubende District rehabilitation of a school, Kasambia Das 500 million. Nabila Tuku District, St. Kizito SES roofing and fencing, 480 million. Construction of classroom block at Lokapele Junction Primary School, 400 million. Maternity ward at Sakale Health Center 2, 300 million. Colleagues, that is the amount. That's where we allocated those funds. Those funds
Honorable members,
were picked from there.
honorable members, can we listen? Honorable members, can we first have, let's sit. Honorable Chair, now that you have told us where the money is coming from, where it is supposed to be, where it was proposed to be.
Yes.
What is your opinion on reallocation?
Okay. Right, Honorable.
On the President's letter for and request for national interest.
Honorable.
Honorable members, listen.
Colleagues.
Linda.
Allow me say, we did all of this for the good of the country and in good faith. We did it in good faith. Now that the bill has been returned with a lot of language, whereby if you listened to the speech, a presentation by PSST recently, he made it clear that Parliament tampered with the budget, and that tampering is going to affect service delivery. That tampering is going to lead to supplementary budgets. And sincerely, in the interest of our country, none of us is happy to see figures. You start then a supplementary budget and so on. So, with that commitment given, and the HE giving that there are priorities, of course, which priorities the government is interested in. And also given that they commit to stick to the budget.
Listen.
I therefore concede to the reallocations.
Thank you.
Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Information, Madam Chair. Information, Madam